Hi, Ezekiel. On behalf of my family, we would like to greet you a happy 7th birthday. We wish you all the best and good health always. You are so blessed to have an awesome parents. You are enjoy to everyone. God bless and
Happy birthday, Dayong. We love you.
Okay, happy birthday, Ezekiel. Alam mo yung nakapangalan mo sa Bible na Ezekiel din. Nag-iyon sa sentence na the Lord's there. And tulad nun, you have been a reminder of God's presence sa lahat ng nakakilala. And thank you for touching our lives.
Happy birthday, Dayang. This is Ninang Algina. You're an angel. We love you. You are very dear to us, and you're very special. Thank you for bringing us joy. Sorry, di ako makapunta dyan. Nandito si Ninang sa lakwat. Enjoy kayo. Enjoy kayo.
Hi, Ezekiel. Happy birthday. Sayang, wala kami ngayon dyan. Pero, masaya kami. Dahil naabot mo na ang iyong 7th birthday.
Happy birthday! Pasensya ka na, hindi kami makakarating. Nawa, itong birthday mo na to ay magbigay sa'yo ng lubos na kaligayahan. Ganon din sa iyong parents at sa mga
Love and warmest greetings from Lucena City. Alam namin na masayang-masaya ang mommy and daddy mo. Ayaw na really very, very special sa heart namin. Naningis ka namin, niliyak na Tita Marie. We saw yung journey mo growing up, and you are really an inspiration sa amin. Joe and Charlie, congratulations. We are so proud sa dalawa for your friends. We love you, Kiana and Justine, send you greetings. Happy 7th birthday!
Tito Rolly mo ito. Gusto lang kitang batiin. Maligayang kaarawan. We're so proud of you. Tulad ng pagiging proud namin kay daddy mo at kay mami mo. Enjoy your celebration. Happy birthday.
Ikaw, sing. Angelo.
Happy birthday, Dayong.
Oh, you can sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Say, I love you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Dayong.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.